The best real estate deals aren't on Zillow, Redfin, or the MLS. They're hidden, off-market properties with no competition and massive profit potential. Savvy investors use strategic methods to find these hidden gems before ever hitting the open market. This is how to find and buy off-market properties for maximum profit. The first step is networking. Real estate wholesalers, agents, and investors have access to deals before they become public. Building relationships with these insiders opens doors to exclusive properties that never make it to traditional listings. Joining investor meetups, Facebook groups, and real estate networking events puts you in the right circles. Direct mail campaigns are another powerful tool. Target distressed property owners, such as absentee landlords, probate heirs, and pre-foreclosure homeowners, by sending personalized letters offering a hassle-free sale. Handwritten envelopes increase response rates, making it more likely that motivated sellers will reach out. Driving for dollars is an old-school but effective method. Drive through neighborhoods looking for neglected properties. Overgrown lawns, boarded-up windows, and piled-up mail are signs of distress. Skip trace the owner's contact information and make an offer directly. Online public records reveal off-market opportunities. Many counties list pre-foreclosures, tax liens, and probate cases online. These homeowners may be eager to sell quickly, offering the perfect opportunity to negotiate below market value. Working with attorneys and estate planners provides exclusive access to properties undergoing divorce settlements, probate, or bankruptcy. These professionals often know when properties will become available before the public does. Wholesalers specialize in off-market deals. They secure properties at a discount and assign contracts to investors. Signing up for wholesaler email lists gives access to deals with minimal effort. Once a deal is found, negotiations should focus on solving the seller's problem. Motivated sellers often prioritize a fast, hassle-free sale over maximum price. Offer creative financing options, such as seller financing or lease options, to increase flexibility and secure a better deal. Due diligence is critical. Since off-market properties bypass traditional listing requirements, hidden repairs or legal issues can arise. Always conduct a title search, inspect the property, and verify zoning laws before finalizing the purchase. Off-market deals create massive profit opportunities, but success requires strategy, persistence, and strong negotiation skills. Networking, direct mail, public records, and strategic partnerships uncover these hidden gems before competitors. Mastering these methods gives access to the most profitable real estate deals, turning overlooked properties into high-value assets.